Hello students, today I am going to start chapter 4 using mail merge in MS Word. Mail merge is one of the most useful features provided by MS Word. These features allow us to create a large number of documents, mostly containing the same information along with some information which varies with each document. For example, the invitation letter for a New Year party or some seminar. The content of each letter is the same, only the name and address of the recipient differs in each letter. In addition to create letter, this feature can also be used to create directories and email messages, print label, envelopes, and so on. Now I'll discuss how to create letters using mail merge in MS Word. Mail merge and its components. Mail merge feature allow us to create large number of documents by merging the document containing repeated information with the documents containing different data of each document. The three main components required to perform mail merge are main document, data source, merge document. Main document is that where we will type the invitation letter, and data source is that when we merge our document, then we have to select our address, that is our data source. Our merge document is that linking the two files. For mail merge, we can create two ways. One is your main document and data source together, and another is that we have to create two files. One is your letter file and one is your address file. Main document is contains information in the form of text graphics that is to be repeated in all the documents. There are 5 types of main documents, namely letter, email messages, envelopes, labels, and directories. Data source, it contains information which is different for each individual document. For example, names, addresses of the guests. The information is repeated by using different fields known as merge fields. For example, the guest detail might contain of first name, last name, address, city, and phone number, and other number also, Aadhaar card number, driving license, PAN card we can insert if we want to add more data in our source file. Merge document, it is a final document which contains information from the main document as well as data source. The main document merge fields are inserted to indicate where the visible information will appear. When both documents are merged, the merge fields are repeated with the individualized information. The resultant merged document contains a combination of the standard text and the variable information. One thing is there, when we merge our document, we will find our address in set from the beginning of the letter, and all the address set with the beginning of the letter and automatically merge with the letters. I will show you how to create mail merge by doing practical when the school reopen. You just go to the chapters. Performing mail merge. The main step for performing mail merge are create or opening main document, creating or opening data source, inserting the merge fields in the main document, merging the documents. The step to performing mail merge are we open new file, that is our blank document, and we used to type the letter. After that, we can go for mailing tab. Otherwise, we can go for another step is that we have to save the file. No need to go for mailing tab. We have to save the file and we used to open another new blank document. There we will type the address. for sending our invitation letters. Here in a same document showing you the picture for doing your mail merge. Okay, here we have to type the letters. After that you have to click on letter, select document type, start document, step 1, use the current document, start from a template, start a existing document. Existing document is that if we save the our document. A current document is then our in a same window we are typing the letter, we are also merge the documents from data source. Okay, these are the pictures showing your steps. There are 6 and 7 steps for creating mail merge. Already I have told you. This screen showing you type new list. These are the list. We can type our own screen. Otherwise we have to type our list for address, and we have to save. We can open our address. Okay, and in the same screen I think all of you are able to see the address are typed, and this screen is selecting the address. After selection of the address, we have to click on OK. When you click on OK, we will find this screen, mail merge, preview your letter, select receipt. Okay, for in same window you have to select preview our letter. After that click on OK. When we click on OK, we will find our document has merged and showing your first letter. This is your first, this is your fields, this is your first letter. After that we will find our next letter. Okay, next letter we can print out the letters. When we print our letter, okay, print, click on OK, we will see our letter within second, print, and we will find hard copy in our hand. After that we will cut the page and send it to our for invitation parties. This way we can get our mail merge. Okay, it is very easier. When you do in your practical, everything is written. You just go through the step one by one. You can do your you can create and easy to done your mail merge. Exercise and question answer already given to you in our Frontier College app. You please all the chapters go through for your upcoming online exam. Thank you all.